हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल स्टडी एग्जाम में। दोस्तों यहाँ आज आपके साथ स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं हम आरआरबी जेई सीबीटी 2 के लिए आप लोग के लिए लाइव टेस्ट। यहाँ पे आगे के फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे हमने अभी पिछले परसों हमने इसका 50 क्वेश्चन का लाइव टेस्ट लिया था। अभी इसमें आगे लेते हैं हम लोग आगे के 60 क्वेश्चंस के लिए टेस्ट। ठीक है, इन 60 क्वेश्चंस में अगर आप मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन 50 के प्लस रखते हैं तो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फायदेमंद साबित होगा। चलिए फ्रेंड्स आगे बढ़ते हैं। मोस्टली ये फ्रेंड्स इस टाइप के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं आरआरबी जेई के एग्जाम में। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। आप लोग जितनी ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा आप लोग के लिए फायदेमंद रहेगा। सबसे पहले मैं बोलना चाहूँगा फ्रेंड्स, जो लोग इस चैनल पर नए हैं वो लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। पहला क्वेश्चन 51, when an alternator is supplying unity power factor load, the armature reaction will produce what? Magnetization of the main field, demagnetization of the main field, distortion of the main field, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option C. Distortion of the main field. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Two alternators are running in parallel. The excitation of one of the alternator is increased. The result will be that machine with excess excitation will burn both. Machine will start vibrating. C. Power output will decrease or wattless component will change. फ्रेंड्स इसमें मैं आपको यहाँ पे 5 से 10 सेकंड का टाइम देता हूँ। आप लोग इन क्वेश्चंस को अपना एक कॉपी पेन लेके बैठिएगा और उसमें फ्रेंड्स आप लोग करते जाइए। सारे क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग कर लीजिए और वहाँ पे लिखते जाइए कितने क्वेश्चंस आपने सही किए हैं, कितने गलत किए हैं, और इसका आंसर टैली करते जाइएगा। और जितने टोटल आपको के सही होते हैं फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपके इतने क्वेश्चन सही हुए हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, चलिए तो मैं आपको इसका आंसर बताता हूँ। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है इट्स डी, वॉटलेस कंपोनेंट विल चेंज। ओके, सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, alternators are generally designed to generate what? Fixed frequencies, variable frequencies, fixed currents, or fixed power factors. The correct answer for this question is it's option A. Option A is the correct answer. The fixed frequencies. Alternators are generally designed to generate fixed frequencies. Okay, so the correct answer is it's option A. Next question. In thermal stations, the number of poles used in alternators are usually what? 48, 12, 24 or none of these. The correct answer is none of these. तो फ्रेंड्स कितना होगा थर्मल स्टेशन में जो नंबर ऑफ पोल्स यूज होते हैं अल्टरनेटर में, कितना होगा वो आप लोग को कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताना है फ्रेंड्स कि कितने होते हैं। ठीक, ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है, इसको आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइएगा। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। In a synchronous alternator, the frequencies f in hertz is given by what? Options are given below. Time starts now. The correct answer is it's f is equal to pn by 120. Okay, जहाँ पे n आपका स्पीड आरपीएम में है, p is the number of poles. Next question. In synchronous alternator, armature reaction is solely determined by what? Power factor of the load. The correct answer is it's option A, the power factor of the load. It is the correct answer. For a zero power factor leading, the effect of armature reaction in an alternator on the main flux is what? Magnetizing, demagnetizing, cross magnetizing, or none of these. So the correct answer is it's magnetizing. Option A is the correct answer. The EMF generated in an alternator due to the nth harmonic is n times the fundamental EMF equal to the fundamental EMF less than the fundamental EMF or 0. So the correct answer is it's option C, less than the fundamental EMF. So the correct answer for this question is it's option C, less than the fundamental EMF. ठीक, आगे बढ़ते हैं। The armature reaction of an alternator will be cross magnetizing in the power factor of the load is 0 leading, less than unity, unity, or more than the unity. Time starts now. So the correct answer is it's unity. Unity is the correct answer. Okay. The effect of magnetizing field in an alternator may be reduced by shifting the brush position, using the interpoles, using a magnetizing pole, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option A, shifting the brush option positions. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. The following method is the best suited for finding the voltage regulation of an alternator: synchronous impedance method, Peltier triangle method, MMF method, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option B, the Peltier triangle method. Okay, correct answer is option B. Power factor of an alternator driven by constant prime mover input can be changed by changing its what? Speed, load, field excitation, or phase sequence. The correct answer is it's option C, the field excitation. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. In an AC machine, the armature winding is kept stationary while the field winding is kept rotating for the following reasons. Armature handles very large current and high voltage. Armature friction involves deep slots to accommodate large coils is easily if armature is kept stationary. Ease of cooling the stator, then rotor, none of these. The correct answer is it's option D. None of these. None of these is the correct answer. इसमें से कोई भी नहीं होगा. Okay? Next question. For the given output, steam turbo alternators are small in size than water turbine. Alternator for the following reasons. Steam turbo alternators have long speed. Speed turbo alternators run at the higher speed. Steam turbo alternators are built with smaller capacities or none of these. The correct answer is it's option B. Option B is the correct answer. The steam turbo alternators run at higher speed. Okay. Next question. In a large alternator, the moving parts is what? The poles, armature, brushes, or none of these? The correct answer is it's the option A, the poles. The large alternators, the moving part is the poles. The reverse To reverse the phase sequence of voltage generated in an alternator, we should what? Reverse the connection of its field winding, interchange any two of its phase terminals, or both A and B, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option C. To reverse the connection of field winding and interchange any two of its phase terminal. Both A and B is the correct answer. Next question. The length L of the rotor of a turbo alternator and its diameter D are related as below. L is equal to D by 2, L is equal to D, L is equal to 2D, or L is greater than D. So the correct answer is it's option D. D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. If the terminal voltage of an alternator is required to decrease the increase of load, power, the PF of a load should be what? Zero lagging, zero leading, unity, or more than unity. So the correct answer is zero leading. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next question. Short pitch coils are used in alternators are to reduce the size of machine, to reduce the stray losses, to reduce harmonic output, to reduce accurate phase shift of 120-degree between each phase. So the correct answer is it's option C, to reduce the harmonic output. Okay. Next question. The most accurate method to measure the hot spot temperature in the field winding is what? Thermocouple method, thermometer method, by the measuring the increase in winding resistance, or none of these. So the correct answer is it's option A, thermocouple method. Okay, option A is the correct answer. In case of two alternators running in parallel and perfectly synchronized, the synchronizing power is what? Zero, positive, negative, ideally indefinite. Your time starts now. The correct answer is it's option C, negative. In the case of two alternators running in parallel, the perfectly synchronized, the synchronizing power is always negative. Okay. On keeping the input to the prime movers of an alternator constant and increasing the excitation, kV becomes leading, kV becomes lagging, kilowatt will change, PF of the load remains unaltered. So the correct answer is option B. kV becomes lagging. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. If an alternator is operating at a leading power factor, its voltage regulation is what? More than 1, equal to 0, negative, or none of these? The correct answer is it's option C, the negative. Okay, C is the correct answer. Hunting in a synchronous machine can reduce by using what? Damped bars, flywheel, machines having suitable synchronization power, or all of these. The correct answer is it's all of these. Option D. Okay, is the correct answer. All of these are correct. Temp bar, flywheel, machine having suitable synchronization. Next question. In a parallel operation of alternator, the synchronizing power is maximum if armature having reactance equal to resistance, reactance less than the resistance, reactance greater than the resistance, or none of these. So the correct answer is it's option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay? None of these. For the same power rating, the higher voltage alternator is what? Large in size, smaller in size, cheaper, or costlier? The correct answer is it's option B, smaller in size. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next question. To run the alternator in parallel, the black ampere test is performed to ensure proper voltage matching, frequency matching, phase difference matching, or phase sequence matching. The correct answer is it's option B, frequency matching. Frequency matching is the correct answer. Next question. For successful parallel operation of two alternators, if it is necessary that what are they are synchronized using synchronoscope and the dark and the bright lamp method of synchronization, their phase sequence, voltage, frequency, and polarity be the same, or option C both A and B, or option D none of these. So the correct answer is it's both A and B. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, both the options are correct. Next question. When a single alternator connected to infinite bus bar, when a single alternator connected to infinite bus bar supplies a local load, the change in excitation of machine results in change of what? Power factor, power input, power output, input power, or terminal voltages. The correct answer is it's option option A, power factor. Okay, option A is the correct answer. In a parallel operation of two alternators, the synchronizing torque comes into operation where there is phase difference between the two voltages, frequency between the two voltages, voltage difference between the two voltages, either A, B, or C. So the correct answer is it's option D, either A, B, or C. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Next question. In an alternator during hunting, when the speed becomes super synchronous, the damped bar develop reluctance torque, pseudo-stationary torque, eddy current torque, induction generator torque. So the correct answer is it's option D, induction generator torque. Option D is the correct answer. The slip rings employed in the three-phase alternator in the hydro station are insulated for the full armature voltage, extra high tension voltage, low voltage, or very high voltage. So the correct answer is it's low voltage. Option C is the correct answer. Low voltage is the correct answer. Next question. An alternator is capable of delivering power at a particular frequency. The frequency can be increased by what? Increasing the current supply to the field electromagnet, reversing the armature rotation, increasing the armature speed, reversing the field polarity. The correct answer is it's option C. Increasing the armature speed. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Distribution of the armature winding of alternator in more than one number of slots per pole per phase results in what? Economy material used in winding, reduction of irregularities produced in waveform, less weight of the entire armature, increase of generated EMF per phase. So the correct answer is it's option B. Reduction of irregularities produced in the waveform. ओके फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं तेज बोल रहा हूँ तो फ्रेंड्स आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं अपना इस चीज़ को। अगर आप लोग लाइव में नहीं आ पाते हैं तो कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग वीडियो को पॉज करके अपना आंसर दे सकते हैं और बताएंगे कि कितना आपने सही किया कितना गलत किया है। ठीक, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Regulations of an alternator is likely to be negative in case of high speed alternators, low speed alternators, lagging power factor of the load, leading power factor of the load. So the correct answer is it's option D, the leading power factor of the load. Okay, sorry, option D is the correct answer, leading power factor of the load. Maximum power in a synchronous machine is obtained when the load angle is what? 0 degree, 85 degree, 120 degree, or 135 degree. So the correct answer is it's option B, 85 degree. Okay. One of the advantage of distributing the winding in an alternator is to reduce noise, same on copper, improves voltage waveform, reduce harmonics. The correct answer is it's option C, improves voltage waveform. Okay. Next question. In case of uniformly distributed winding in an alternator, the value of distribution factor is what? 0.995, 0.90, 0.80, or 0.70. The correct answer is it's option. Correct answer is option A, 0.995. Okay. In case of uniformly distributed winding alternator, the value of distribution factor is 0.995. Okay. Next question. Two alternators are connected in parallel. Their kVA and kW kilowatt load shares can be changed by changing respectively their driving torque and excitation, excitation and driving torque, excitation only, or driving torques only. The correct answer is it's option B. The correct answer is option B, excitation and the driving torque. Okay, so B is the correct answer. The voltage of a field system for an alternator is usually less than 200 volt, between 200 volt and 500 volt, C 500 volt, or above 500 volt. The correct answer is it's option A, less than the 200 volt. Okay, option A is the correct answer. The following are the experiment data required for Poltian method for finding the voltage regulation of an alternator. No load curve short circuit test value, no load curve, zero power factor curve, or C, zero power factor curve, short circuit test curve. None of these. The correct answer is it's option B, no load curve and the zero power factor curve. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Salient pole rotor are not used for high-speed turbo alternator because large eddy loss, high centrifugal force and windage loss, excessive bearing friction, harmful mechanical oscillations. The correct answer is it's option B, high centrifugal forces and the windage loss. Okay, option B is the correct answer. The short circuit characteristics of an alternator is always linear, always non-linear, sometimes linear and sometimes non-linear, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option A, the always linear. Okay, option A is the correct answer. In an alternator, if an armature current is leading the generated voltage by 90 degree, the effect of armature reaction will be demagnetizing, magnetizing, partially magnetizing, and partially cross magnetizing, the or none of these. The correct answer is it's option B, magnetizing. In an alternator, if the armature current is leading generated voltage by 90 degree, the effect of armature reaction will be magnetizing. Okay, so the option B is the correct answer. Next question. In order to reduce the harmonics in the EMF generated in an alternator, the slots are skewed, silent pole tips are chamfered, winding is well distributed, or all of these. The correct answer is it's option D. All of these. All of these is the correct answer. Okay. Slots are skewed, silent pole tips are chamfered, or windings is well distributed. So all are correct. The hunting in a synchronous machine can be guarded against Y. Using a flywheel, designing the synchronous machine with the suitable synchronizing power, damped bars, or all of these. The correct answer is it's option D. All of these. Okay? All of these is the correct answer. Of the following conditions, one of the which does not have the alternator working in a parallel is what? Terminal voltage of each machine must be the same. Machines must have the same phase rotation. Machine must operate at the same frequency. Machine must have equal rating. So the correct answer is it's option D. The machines are must have the equal rating. Okay. Next question. Power factors of an alternator is determined by its speed, load, excitation, or the prime movers. The correct answer is it's option B. Power factor of an alternator is determined by its load. Okay. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. With a load power factor of a unit T, the effect of armature reaction on the main field flux of an alternator is what? Distortional, magnetizing, demagnetizing, or nominal. The correct answer is option A, the distortional. Okay, so correct option is option A. An alternator and synchronous motor are connected to an infinite bus. Both are working at a unity power factor, and reactive power handled by them is both deliver it to the bus, both absorb it from the bus. Alternator is delivering it and motor is absorbing it. Neither of these machines is delivering nor absorbing it. The correct answer is it's option D. Neither of these machines is delivering nor absorbing it. Next question. Large synchronous machines are constructed with the armature winding on the stator because stationary armature winding it can be what? Options are given below. Time starts now. The correct option is it's option D. Both A and B can be insulated satisfactorily for higher voltages, can be cooled more efficiently. Sorry. Okay, so option A and B is the correct. Main disadvantage of using short pitch winding is alternator is that it is reduces harmonics in generated voltage, reduces the total voltage around the armature coil, or produce symmetry in the three-phase winding, increases CU of end connection. So the correct answer is it's option B, reduces the total voltage around the armature coil. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The two machines are running in synchronism and the voltages of one machine is suddenly increased. The machines will burn, both machines will stop, synchronizing torque will be produced to restore further synchronism, or none of these. The correct answer is it's option C. Synchronizing torque will produce to the restore further synchronism. Okay. Next question. Maximum current that can supplied by an alternator depends on what? Speed of exciter, number of poles, exciter current, strength of the magnetic field. The correct answer is it's option D, the strength of the magnetic field. Next question. Advantage of using short pitch winding in an alternator is that it is what? Suppress the harmonics in the generated EMF, reduce the total voltage around the armature coil, save copper use in windings, improves cooling by better circulation of air. The correct answer is it's option B. Reduces the total voltage around the armature coil. Next question. When an alternator is running on a no load, the power supplied by the prime mover is mainly consumed to meet iron losses, to meet copper losses, to meet all no losses, load losses, to produce induced EMF in armature winding. So the correct answer is it's option C, to meet all no load losses. Option C is the correct answer. Two alternators are running in parallel. If the field of one alternator is adjusted, it will reduce its speeds, change its load, change its power, change its frequency. The correct answer is it's option B, the change its load. Okay, two alternators are running in parallel. If the field on one of the alternator is adjusted, it will change its load. Okay, so B is the correct answer. The advantage of short pitch winding is what? Low noise, increased inductance, suppression of harmonics, reduced eddy currents. The correct answer is it's option C, the suppression of harmonics. Option C is the correct answer. The regulation of an alternator is what? The options are given. आपको 10 सेकंड का टाइम है, चलिए बताइए. The correct answer is it's option C. The increase in terminal voltage when load is thrown off. Okay, the regulation of alternator is increase in terminal voltage when load is thrown off. In synchronous generator at zero power factor lagging, the effect of armature reaction is magnetizing, demagnetizing, cross magnetizing, or both magnetizing and cross magnetizing. The correct answer is it's option B, demagnetizing. Okay. Main advantage of distributing the winding in the slots is to what? Add mechanical strength to winding, reduce the amount of copper required, reduce the harmonics to the generated EMF, or reduce the size of machine. The correct answer is it's option C, reduce the harmonics in the generated EMF. Option C is the correct answer. तो फ्रेंड्स आज का ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन. वन टर्न कंसिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट? टू कॉइल साइड्स, टू कंडक्टर्स, फोर कंडक्टर्स और फोर कॉइल साइड्स. So the correct answer is it's B, two conductors. Okay, two conductors. सो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए बस इतना ही. फ्रेंड्स आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो फ्रेंड्स, और आप लोगों ने जितना भी फ्रेंड्स आपने सही किया उसको आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं कि आपके इतने क्वेश्चन सही हुए हैं. इतने क्वेश्चंस में से यहाँ पे ओवरऑल फ्रेंड्स हमने 62 क्वेश्चंस का आज हमने टेस्ट लिया है. इसमें देखते हैं आप लोग कितना सही कर पाते हैं, और आप लोग जितना सही कर पाते हैं वो लोग आप लोग कमेंट में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. ओके फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो. फ्रेंड्स वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें. ओके फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. जय हिंद, जय भारत.